What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be installing some OMP racing pedals in my 77 280Z. Stick around. Alrighty guys, so here's the parts all laid out. You have your assortment of nuts and bolts here, your throttle, your brake, and your clutch pedal. So all these were purchased off of Amazon. Oops. They're 35 bucks. There's a little link here so you guys can see that. And so right now we're going to go take them over to the car and tape them into place. The first thing you have to do is you got to take off the rubber foot pads. They just have a groove all the way around them, and you just kind of pry them off each of the pedals. So the next step is going to be placing some tape. Doesn't matter what kind of tape you put. The biggest problem is the brake pedal has this large kind of brake stop that we're going to have to fix a little bit, because whenever you push it on here, this corner runs into the side here, so you can't get it quite straight. So obviously you got to make sure that you have enough room that when you press the accelerator all the way down, you're not bottoming out. So that's a little bit too low. Like it's just about right there. So leave that one right there. So brake pedal, kind of just gonna have to get a little eyeball there. It's pretty close. And the clutch pedal. There. And it looks like we're going to have enough material to grab there and there. And hopefully on this one you have enough material to grab as well. So on this one, we're going to kind of make a mark on the side I can see through here where it's kind of hitting. I'm just going to kind of draw a line on the side here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that off, and I'm just going to follow this line and cut it down a little bit so that the edge of this pedal, where I put it on to get it on there straight, because it's running into there right now, we'll be able to slide through that little gap. Alright, so we're over at the workbench, and so we're just going to be kind of following that line here. I'm going to put this into the vise. Crush enough so it's stable, and we'll take our cut-off tool here. Show you your fairing protection, some eye protection, and we'll go for it. Alrighty guys, so I took it over to the car, not quite enough, and you can kind of see the line here. It didn't follow very well, so I'm going to have to dig in a little bit farther that way. Alright, so got my silver Sharpie here. I'm gonna get this in here. I think I want it. Go ahead and mark that hole. Mark that hole. We'll see how close that is. Now that's gonna be perfect. So I'll drill here and here on that one. So it looks like one there. I'll have to take off the tape. This is that aluminum tape, works really nice. And actually, you know what, we're going to move that over just a little bit. Yeah, well, maybe not. flush on each end. There's a hole there. So there's our 2 holes. Might be able to move them up and that way just a little bit. They're getting away from the edge of the actual so make sure we drill on that end and that end, and then those 2 will go, and then this one I'm gonna have to take off so I can do a little more modification for that one. Alright, so the bolts that come with the kit, they're going to be metric, but the drill bit I'm going to be using for the final is going to be a 1/4 inch drill bit. Obviously you want to start with the smallest drill bit you can. Have our bolts here. They're a 4mm Allen and a 10mm nut. And that does it. All permanently on there. And that's it. Take these out a little bit. With the light, get a little different look there. I think it's going to be awesome. Alrighty guys, so that wraps up the OMP pedal install. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you can.